the girl emergency kit that you're gonna need in your car, for school, for work. It's just essential to have an emergency kit so you look and feel your best at all times so that you can't be caught crusty dusty. Because we've all had those days. Let's get into it. How did you get in there? If I could go back in time, I would literally hand this to my younger self. We have these quilty, really cute bags. They sell them on Amazon. I will link everything that I have in here. First off, dry shampoo. I feel like when my hair looks good, I feel good. Mini brush. I love the Tangle Teaser ones, but I can't find it. Favorite natural deodorant that actually doesn't leave you smelling bad. I would keep some makeup essentials in there, like a brow gel. These mascaras are literally like $4. And just having this if you wanted to put on a little makeup is nice. Lip cheek stain in there, just so you have the option if you want to look a little extra cute. Gold jewelry. I literally feel naked without my jewelry, so if I forget, I won't feel like myself. These are like $10 from Amazon, and they're such cute earrings, and they haven't tarnished. I've had these for like a year. Have some clips, bobby pins in this little container. Also put extra underwear and like thin pads, just in case, you never know. Little wax stick if you want to slick your hair back if it's like really unsavable. Really cute. These hair ties are my favorite. I used to hate hair ties, but these ones are like super soft, and I will link them. Obviously, some type of lip gloss. This is probably like my #1 essential in life. The Rare Beauty one I've been using, but I will put some drugstore ones in there too. I would also throw in a long-lasting perfume. There's this one that I've been using since I was 16 years old, and I literally shattered it today. But this perfume is the best. It will last you years. Let me know what I forgot and what you would put in there. Remember, you were hot and perfect. I love you, Maddie. Follow for more advice.